Yo, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a great day and welcome to How to Guide YouTube channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can use Facebook's collection. So Facebook's collection is a pretty useful place. Like it could be used to store all the video or photos which you want to, watch later. Like you can just scroll through Facebook endlessly, and let's say you miss something and you reload your Facebook page. You cannot see the same, meme shared by your friend or the same video you just, saw on your Facebook. So let's say I want to see this later on. If I keep on scrolling down like this, then if I reload my Facebook page, then this post is gonna get vanished. I can't search for it. So basically, if you add it on a collection, you can watch it later if you want to. So how you guys can do that is, first what you want to do is you want to click on the three dot of the post which you want to add to the collection. You want to click on save link. And once you click on save link, you want to click on where it says for later. You want to click on done. You can also click on favorites, but it doesn't matter. Once you do that, what you want to do is you want to go to the side and click on where it says saved. You're gonna go on where it says saved, and on saved, as you guys can see, it's saved on my for later. Now what you want to do is click on create a new collection. So let's say you want to create a collection of memes, so you can click on meme over here. So I'm gonna click on create. So I've created a collection called meme. Now I'm gonna save it on my meme collection. And what I can do is add to collection and click on meme and wait for some time. Now it's gonna be switched to meme collection. So if I go on my meme collection, as you guys can see, I can see this post. Now you can go to your Facebook, and whenever you see a meme which you want to save for later, you can just click on this three dot, click on save post. I can go on my meme collection, I can click on done, and as you guys can see, save to meme. Now I can go on my save and on my meme folder, and as you guys can see, these two are saved. So yeah, that's basically how this collection thing works. So if you guys found our video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you guys in a later video. Bye bye until then.